Okay, let's continue with the next part, ang US or US. U is for unlike signs. So, since unlike, ibig sabihin sa unlike, dili pareha. And then, ang atong buhaton is we subtract. And then, we copy the sign of the greater number. So, how do we use that? These are examples. Find the sum. So, 10 plus negative 3. Unlike signs. So, we subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7. And the common sign, the sign of the greater number is positive. Di na ito isulat. Next, negative 15 plus 9 equals. So, unlike sign, subtract. I-subtract ang gamay gikan sa dako na number. So, 15 minus 9 equals 6. Copy the sign of the greater number, which is negative 15. So, negative 3 plus negative 7 plus 10. So, ang atong buhaton first is we combine itong mga magkaparehag color na number. So, ang 3, unahon na itong add, ug ang 10. So, we have 3 plus 10. That would be 13. Next, we have our negative 7. Okay, so they are unlike signs. So, pag unlike, isubtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. Positive or negative? Positive, kay mas dako ang 13 kaysa 7. Next. So, again, we combine 10 and negative 14 na i-plus na to. Okay, pareha mag-sign, di ba? Itong like signs ganina. So, i-add na to sila. 24. And then, ang pikas is, ang nabilin, 8 plus 12 would be plus 20. So, natin negative 24 plus 20. Okay, like or unlike signs, pareha silang sign, dili. Dili sila parehag sign. So, we subtract na to. 24 minus 20 is 4. And what is the sign? What's the sign of the greater number? Ang greater number is 24. Negative, so therefore, negative ni siya. Alright, so can you try this?